how to log in into Chase Bank Online. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you how you can do it. So let's get started without any delay. For that, you can head over to chase.com, tap on it on one of your preferred browser, head over to www.chase.com directly. And once you go to the website, you should be finding this particular interface right here. So in order to just go ahead and log in online, you can look out for this sign in option at the top right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. It is usually located at the top right, so you need to just go ahead and locate that option up, and it will give you option to enter your credentials in order to log in into your online banking of Chase Bank. So just wait for it to load up like this. So you just need to go ahead and enter up your username in this first section, and then you can enter up your password on the second one. After that, you can just go ahead and tap on the sign in option from your screen in order to log in into your account. If you've forgotten your username or password, we have this option of forgot username or password that lets us recover our account. Otherwise, if you're not enrolled yet, you can look out for this not enrolled, sign up now and create up account for your Chase Bank, and that is it. And once that is done, you can head back to the login page and use this login page. By entering up your credentials, you can directly log in. So that is it. That is how you basically create a login into the Chase Bank online banking. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.